Here everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the vanish mode option is not available on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Updating ensure you have the latest features including the vanish mode. So if you don't see the vanish mode toggle, follow this step. Open Instagram and go to your direct message. Alright, so open any chat, swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen until you see the vanish mode symbol at the bottom. So if the vanish mode still doesn't appear, try logging out. Go to the settings and log out. Log back in and check if the feature is now available. Alternative, if your friend have it, ask them or let them know to turn it on, and both of your accounts will be in the vanish mode. Alright, so another way is uninstall Instagram from your device. Then reinstall it from your App Store or Google Play Store. This refresh the app and resolve any potential issue with missing features. Some accounts have access to vanish mode, while others don't. If you don't see the option after trying all steps, it could mean your account doesn't currently support this feature. This can depend on your account type, location, or app version. So I hope this video helped you out to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and take care.